Hello people of the internet, it is Shane here, and today I'm at Peterborough on the East Coast Main Line. There is 365522 off to King's Cross.
Get that one gone, put 33 in there.
170-104 is there on the Stansted Airport, and there's 66027 on a Stone train. And yeah,
off.
So you'll be seeing services by Cross Country, East Midlands trains, Great Northern, Cross Country, I don't know if I said that, Greater Anglia, and Virgin Trains East Coast, as well as First Hill Trains and Grand Central. So let's see what shall turn up.
1015 London King's Cross Edinburgh Waverley.
Well, yes, here comes the first train of the day. This is the...
That's it!
Well, so for me it is.
121.
Here's 9121. And there's 66027 deciding to leg it out of it. 91, 121 and 82. 04. 82204. The 12 something or other, Virgin Trains East Coast Service.
16.
Oh, 1216 then.
In Edinburgh.
Virgin Trains East Coast Service to Edinburgh Waverley.
Next station, Retford.
Fast to Retford, weirdly. This here will be the 1218.
Cross Country Service to Stansted
Airport. Calling it Ely, March, Ely, Cambridgeshire, Audley End, and Stansted Airport. It's 170-104, that's all you need to know.
That's it. Where's first class? Give us that.
Okay, it's at the rear.
To
170-104 to Stansted Airport, not Birmingham New Street.
To Stansted Airport via Birmingham New Street.
Oh dear.
The front said Birmingham and all, didn't it?
And here is the gathering.
The front says the back. Hello.
Hello. Here's the gathering.
We're not supposed to be here right now. Are we not? Remember? We still have restrictions.
Anyway. That's 365522, sounding like a Formula 1 car on the way to London King's Cross on the 1219 service. And he's off on the slow line because someone wants to use the fast line. I'm really being Captain Obvious right here today. This will be Hull King's Cross. (180-109). So this is a straight through, yet it's going slow as hell.
Yeah, it is. It's been cautioned.
91, 1, 24. And 82217, King's Cross leads.
Stopper.
Any sec behind the signal will become the 1224.
Ilkeston, yeah. 2 an hour.
Eastman's train service to Liverpool Line Street. Calling it Grantham.
Okay,
I have no idea. I think it's Grantham, Nottingham, Alfreton, Chesterfield, Sheffield, Stockport, Manchester, Piccadilly, Manchester, Oxford Road, Wellington Central, Widnes, Liverpool South Parkway, and Liverpool Lime Street. That's just what I think it is. 158813. Did I get those calling points right?
I don't know, we're listening.
Oh.
I know, if we're on a new one, it stole all the power and the train broke down.
158813 on the 1224 Liverpool Lime Street from Norwich. Norwich! It's coming from Norwich.
The train broke down.
Here comes every train spotter's worst nightmare.
Especially yours.
Yep.
53319.
Well, it's freight, so...
It is the Biggleswade to Heck plasma train, and we're all about to die. Well, not really, but still. Whatever. It's 66102. 012, same thing. 66012. And it's already freezing. I hate this train so much. How the hell can you tell if this is loaded or not?
With the way that it's full or empty.
Yeah, but I can never tell if it's if this is loaded or
I swear
not.
the East Coast mainline one is longer than the one that was on Red Wing.
Probably.
012 Tech, which is the
012 to heck. 180 for Hull. I want to say 180, 110.
I never bothered.
There's a chopper overhead. Stop rolling back, you freight train. 2K17. Anyway.
Is it? 1P50.
Yep, here is a thing. Also known as a Great Northern Service from London King's Cross.
I can't avoid
13.
365513.
Also known as Hornsey Depot, 365513, but not anymore.
Yep.
Formerly known as Hornsey Depot. And its tag team partner,
504.
504.
504.
Bull crap.
Star's got door chime, but it just keeps going off every time the door's open and shut.
All of East Midlands there, no new door chime. Start before the door closes. When the door starts to move, it stops.
We're going to bring
365-513 and 365-504 from London King's Cross. That says Great Northern.
Liverpool Norwich.
Yep.
85.
Here is the 1240 Eastern train service to Norwich, 158865, and here we have JV trains kneeling down for a 158.
Yes, I eat food.
I don't think you're going to get it off a 158.
That's road.
158.
158865 to Norwich, and today I'm joined by, well, not
Yeah,
course,
I'm gonna go
but
do myself.
Babes Trains, JV Trains, who apparently wants to kill himself,
Yes.
and JM Trains, the meme meister is back, but he's ignoring my video.
No, I'm the dead vine. Fine.
Oh, okay. How do you feel about returning to Trains Up?
Sad.
I don't know, I want to join.
We'll get Tommy Vance instead then for next time.
Bloody LD. Oh yes. Chase smells.
I'm gonna make all these fans cringe. 43.
Highland Chieftain, Inverness,
No, it's not.
No, King's Cross, Inverness, same thing.
No, it's not.
43307. 43318, which is the Highland Chieftain from Inverness, from King's Cross to Inverness.
Platform 3.
I know it wasn't.
We're only 43 minutes from London.
None of the units
Yeah, Great
were
Northern
Highland
takes about
Chieftain,
3.5
but that's the
hours.
name of the service.
26 from Leeds.
43313 to London King's Cross from Leeds, and over here, I'm kind of in the middle of everything, and it's very weird. Thank you. This will be the King's Cross
bold.
Leeds, and with the final
Bold.
bold. Oh yeah, definitely bold. Definitely bold. 43299.
299.
Bold. That chopper's back again.
43277's on the London.
Okay, 43277's on the way of the London. Oh, go away, cross country, not now. Yeah, this one actually has a respectable calling pattern. 43311. 311.
Maintain at Craigan, 10 ambulance stopped on the bridge and is across the country. With 1 November 53.
Cross country
Birmingham New Street.
to Birmingham New Street from Stansted Airport, featuring 170 110.
Last week. That was paired up with 520.
What was that on?
Cardiff Nottingham, no first class though.
And we're going to go now to the pumpkin, so we'll see you in part 2. We will now see you in part 2. That is it, until part 2. Plot twist, there isn't a part 2.
Yeah, there is.
3655, well there will be, but not at the moment. 365504, 365513.
This is going to be an 8th part of the sad.
13. Formerly Hornsey Depot to London King's Cross.
Lewis.
And yes, you did just make, well you did just hear a 69 joke. Here's a Norwich Liverpool Lime Street 158.
Going to China.
It's not going to China, it's going to Liverpool.
China is Liverpool.
Look at JM Trains over there trying to look swag.
Lime Street now approaching platform 6.
I just use a dead word. 158810. Look at this dude No, 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 no.
Oh, look at this dude, look at his hair.
15810 to Liverpool Line.
Fucking rob your parents, man.
Next it wall back from the edge of platform 3.
Okay,
the
shut
next
up.
train is not scheduled to stop.
You don't need to announce that?
Shut up.
No!
Yes. Josh, back! You'll be winded.
We've got a
anyway.
rebel.
Trust me, I've done it many a time.
We've got a fanny.
I predict the riot.
No, it's that Pepsi meme.
This is gonna work.
This 91 is addicted to speed. Look at this dude. He's about to die. Look at this dude. 911 out. What? A2203 and 91112 getting the consist mixed up a bit there.
East to London King's Cross.
Same. It is Leeds to Lincoln's Cross. Right, we've got two trains at once here. This will be a Great Northern service from King's Cross with the new, yep, JV trains. 365502 with the new boards.
Northern. Well done.
And he's not paying attention. And here's a Greater Anglia service from Ipswich, but we'll have a gander at that in a minute.
No.
365502 and 365524.
I didn't even see that. That's the new Greater Anglia, that's 203.
365502, 365524 from King's Cross. With a fence pole in the way, here is
270.
170-270 in the new livery.
And it's 203, the refurbished one.
I say new livery, but he's heading from Ipswich.
That would have gone down Doncaster at some point. 170-270 from Ipswich.
Yeah, 170-270 from. Here's the Liverpool Lime Street to Norwich train, that's all we need to know, but oh, well, I can't say words. It's 158847 Lincoln Castle Explorer. To Norwich. Nowhere near Lincoln. Error. Lincoln Castle Explorer to Norwich.
The next train is the 1455 East Midlands service to
VTech Hust.
Okay, this side.
And 43-310
18 London, Edinburgh.
to Edinburgh Waverley. Here's a shed, 66-767.
767. Josh needs that one.
That'll be an intermodal, and we'll see that in a few minutes. 365524 and 365502 as the intermodal continues. That'll be ending for King's Cross.
1351 Virgin train service for London King's Cross only. Service will now depart from platform 3. Platform 3 for the third.
And that.
Sheds off
Oh, bless him.
to wherever it's going. Not going to film all of it, but it's going, so there's that one. No idea what is up with Doncaster today, but we've got 92102, City New York. Look at this dude. A2222 for Leeds.
The next service is the Edinburgh to King's Cross.
Here's 170-270 bound for Ipswich. Calling at Whittlesea, March, Mainey, Ely, Bury St Edmunds, Stowmarket and Ipswich. 170-270 to Ipswich. It's a plane. I'm not going to show it, but there's a plane.
Go get your bloody shed.
Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street. Yes.
Okay, this is the Virgin train service to Birmingham New Street.
What?
66. No, 171.
171.11.
No, 12.
Ah! 171.12.
On sheds.
There's a DB red shed coming, but we'll have a look at that in a minute.
12 to Birmingham New Street.
And 171.12 to Birmingham Day Street. Don Scuntup's flatbed train. This must be like the plasma, because I have no idea what it's supposed to be carrying. But look at the size of it! Look at the size of it! It's massive! 66041. It's massive! This is going to take up a lot of my battery. Because it's massive!
What is it?
Massive! My eyes are watering. Ooh,
that's 041 sitting there. It's 43206.
Sorry, that was guys, mate. Eyes are watering. For no apparent reason. And he's going to stop, thank God. 43206. At 43,290 fast station of power to King's Cross from Edinburgh. I assume it's Edinburgh. It might be Edinburgh, it might be Leeds, who knows? I don't. 43,316. I couldn't get the front.
Co 11 Albany in London.
Front.
I don't remember. I said it a second ago.
43,316 on the rear. 43 whatever on the front. Northern Lights, King's Cross, Aberdeen. In the Aberdeen, King's Cross, other way round. I'm not with it. One massive break later due to dehydration and something like that. Here is a Norwich Liverpool Lime Street train, which does call it the new station Ilkeston, which isn't very new now, but whatever, it's still new. I needed that. 158812, back at it again. No, 862. I'm seeing things.
So it's a Liverpool Lime Street.
158862 to Liverpool Lime Street. Calling at Grantham, Nottingham, Ilkeston, Alfreton, Chesterfield, Sheffield, Stockport, Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Warrington Central, Widnes, Liverpool South Parkway, and Liverpool Lime Street. And now that you've got my entire view of the train, then that just kind of effed up this whole clip. King's Cross Leeds, he says rather forcibly. 91117 West Riding Limited 82209. I got a headache, so don't question. Any second will be a Freightliner Leeds Ipswich freight train. Yay! The sarcasm is real right now. Boy.
You're gonna fuck in the radio.
All we hear is Radio Gaga. Radio people.
Radio Joe Thorpe.
Give me some.
Well, you heard it here first. You heard it. I can't say words. I can't say words. 66513.
No, all you hear in Peterborough is building voices.
Kiss radio's my shit. Yes, it's my shit.
Your shit?
Yes, I shit radio waves. And now it's the latest meme.
Yeah, boy. It's your boy.
And that's just a stale one. Hurry up, freight train.
This code.
Another one. Another one.
Another one.
Guys, please ignore my
Another one.
Oh.
Another one.
YouTube.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
66530 into Ipswich or Leeds or no, it's Ipswich. I can't say. Shut up. I'm not with it today, so shut up. Oh, this afternoon I've not been with it. This morning I've been quite with it. I don't know. Insert. Yes, I've been drinking. Insert logic here. Here's a Great Northern from King's Cross.
London, King's Cross. This is 5523 again.
Yep, it's 365523. Nothing interesting. Unless this was by itself.
It's not.
If so, well, if it was on its first route, then it's got a friend. 365527, it's how it is not a new thing. There's a newspaper.
Going to Ely.
Here is the something 1340.
Midlands
No,
train service.
I can't. Nah.
1443.
1443 Eastman's train service to Norwich. 158 and once again,
Oh, gold!
I'm totally out of it. But apparently, this what's about to happen next will definitely put me out. Aberdeen.
Shit!
4305. 4306. Unknown and 43372.
Well, that one.
No, that one.
What was the flipping other one?
I said unknown for a reason.
Oh, for fuck's sake. That was
Next out, the 1446.
Great Northern
Great Northern service to London King's Cross. Finally, a train I can actually speak out.
Speak out! Well, you can speak out of a train.
365527 and 365523.
Yes. Another one. 110. Today, of course, was Jamie.
Final train of the day
Course through, of course, I'll let you see 9110.
will be 91110 off to Leeds. And whilst that's arriving in, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching this episode here at Peterborough. Joining me was JM Trains, Babes Trains, and JV Trains.
Joshua Vine.
Yeah, I'll definitely be coming back to Peterborough at some point. I know.
Buying Newark next time, for fuck's sake.
Yeah. Throughout.
I'm not doing Lincoln again.
No.
After
the controversy, as of this morning.
And 230 on the back.
Yeah, 82230 on the back.
You're on the end screen.
No idea what my next station's gonna be.
Down in Market.
You wish.
For about 6 weeks.
Yeah, but
I'll
this
be
has been
looking.
Peterborough, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.